Hey there, guys. Okay, if you guys are wondering, what is SSH? Well, SSH is basically a way to get a root access into your device, like to the core of the system. Now, what you would do is there are two ways you can do this. Either go to Cydia, find iFile, and download it right there, iFile. And as you click on iFile, it's basically like how a computer operates. You can get to the system that way. Anything like that within the stuff, you go here home, and you see the var. You go ahead, click that. Has a little slash forward, but yeah, the forward slash. You notice it has system, TSP, user, USR, VAR, volumes. Okay, as you see that, now what you're going to do is, yes, this program is free, and it is called WinSCP. Exactly like that. WinSCP. Now you go ahead and you can go to the website. How I like to type it in so it brings you exactly to the download site. You go to downloads.cnet.com, downloads.cnet.com. And it'll prompt you to say, yes, click download now. It is a free program. You're going to go ahead. It'll ask you, yes, to install. You got the installer right there. But you want to go ahead, go and open the application, right? And it is called a remote access. And since I already made a connection, I will simply show you just what to do. You go ahead, okay, click new. Now host name. Oh, well, what is that? Host name is simply the IP address of your device, which could be 192.168 whatever, or you could have a total different one. You could simply go get that from Cydia, which I think is, or you can actually access it from your Wi-Fi as well too. But how I like to get it is I got SB settings, and I guess it showed my IP address on there, and what else it was, like the springboard stuff, everything like that. Like you can go to your Wi-Fi, and it would simply be this code. It'll be, okay, you click the Wi-Fi, and it'd be that right there. My IP address, 192.168.0, okay? Alright. Now what you do is, you'd go ahead, type that in. Okay? And the username is simply root, and the password, Alpine, all lowercase, ALPINE. And leave the port alone, leave the SFTP alone. You go log in, or you can save it. Since I already have this, I can go back, unless I have to quit. I just go close, okay? I'll just reopen the application, but simply you'd go and save, or if you just want to log right in. Since I just named it as Awesome, that's an old one right there, so don't worry about that. Just go ahead, click Awesome, searching for host, and yes, okay. Now I am accessed into my device. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention. Before you end up doing that, before you're thinking, oh, you can do it right away, no. You need to also go back into Cydia, okay? Download, open SSH, and if you wanted another one to view your computer on screen, it's called the VNC. I just got that because, yeah, but you would download open SSH, then this is called BB settings. You can quickly access your crap from here. Basically, it's like SB settings where, you slide the status bar, not like that. You slide the status bar, and that'll pop up. And since SSH is green, that means it's on, and it is running, as you see. So that is how you are going to get SSH in your device. And simply see, this is the iPod section, this is your computer section. iPods, yes, I quickly hit arrow, go back, and just what I was telling you before, you know how you saw the VAR and that said that /. So you go back, simply says CETC developer system TMP user. See that? You can simply, this is another way you are able to edit your games, your applications and everything. See, some things may not work, so you'd simply just go back. This took me a little time. I was trying to find where my applications were at. I'm just like, wow, I'm stupid. So then I'm just like, okay, it was either, what was it? So you got all your things from jailbreak, your whatever you'd want. Say you didn't want those ringtones that were made on the iPod, you know, when you buy it as a factory setting iPod, you can delete those off and everything. You can have fun with your device. It is a lot of fun. I enjoy this a lot. Simply see, you got your applications. Your applications may pop up like this, which I'm not sure if you were able to change to the actual name. But if you notice when you go on iFile on your iPod, there's a setting where, okay, you go into iFile and say you want to know, like, oh, well, I want to edit a game this way and change the score and everything. Well, you're able to do it from your iFile also. You just go to applications. When you first download iFile, it won't pop up like this. Simply what you do is you just go in this corner here, make sure application names is on. It may be off, and it would look like that. That's exactly what I'm talking about. It'll look just like those. Simply yes. What you do is just reverse, vice versa here, turn back on, done, and there you go. You got all your apps back. And this is simply how to SSH into your device. If you want any more tutorials, any questions, please comment, rate, subscribe. I will get back to you ASAP. Thank you, and bye.